There's a huge pond. We have this whole golf course to ourselves because it is still winter. I don't know if you can even hear me because the wind is probably so bad. But I'm gonna walk backwards. So, we have this whole golf course to ourselves because it's not opened yet. We got permission from the guys to fish here, so might as well do it, you know? We got this entire pond and a creek and another pond all to ourselves. See if we can't rip them. I got one. I got one. Got one. Oh my gosh, Sean. It's a smallmouth. Yes, like... It's a good one. He's not hooked very well. Oh my. Yes.
That is a good one. Oh. I wish I wouldn't have lost mine. Bait.
Come here. Can you hold him?
Oh, dude, that's a chunk.
That's a good one. Okay, go.
Nice.
Got a good old smallie right there. How much do you think this weighs? Here, take a picture with this.
Pound?
Take my picture with this. Here, my phone's in my pocket right here.
Okay. So that's about
This smallmouth right there looks so good. All right, let's get a good release. Oh, and he's off. Dude, I said it. They're gonna be in that pocket. I'm thinking about switching my rod and reel with this bait. You got one? Hey, let's go, boy. Woo! That's so sick, Sean.
Mm-hmm.
You want to get a picture with him?
Sure, why not?
Okay, go ahead. There it goes.
That water's warm.
Is it actually? Yeah, it's good. All right, let's catch some more. Yeah, let's fish right underneath this bridge. Holy crap. I don't know. We haven't cast that much either. Oh, got one.
Great job.
Right when you said that too. Oh, why have we not caught one here? Got one.
Oh my goodness.
I know, I did the exact same thing. Okay. Let's get this thing unhooked. He's making noises. It's a croaker? All right, he's freaking out. He's pooping everywhere. He's gone. That was good. Okay, today it's the next day from when you guys first saw us, or last saw us. We're at the little Harpeth. Last time we were fishing the big Harpeth at a golf course, and now we're in a neighborhood. So now you know where we are. Let's catch some fish. Got one. Got one. Little smallmouth. Oh no. Yeah, it's a little smallmouth. No, it's a smallmouth. Small smallmouth. I guess that's why they call them smallmouth. No, that's not why they call them smallmouth. Sweet. Okay, I'll get this thing out. All right, why can I not? Ow. Oh, he's off. Did he swim off? Yeah, he just dropped. I just dropped him. Well. Whoa. Spooky. You think we'll catch one here?
There's a very good possibility.
Is it very good or very big?
Very big.
Either way it works.
Cast right over there.
Really?
Yep, I caught one. I caught one the other day.
Dude, the mud is bad over here.
It always is.
Because it sees no sun. Oh, I'm sliding. Oh, oh, oh. Now I have mud on my shoes and I have no traction. There we go, got it. Actually? Yep. Hey, that's sick. I'm coming over there. So none of us got skunked. All right, Sean caught a little smallmouth right there.
Oh yeah.
Wait, hang on.
A dink, but it's still a fish.
Yeah, so what were you fishing with?
A little black rooster tail.
Wherever that is, where'd that go? Black rooster tail.
Yep.
That'll do it. That's
Done.
a very, very, very small fish.
Yes, it is.
Going.